Hi guys, so I just filmed me doing this eye for you. My hands were a little shaky, but you know, it is what it is. I hope you enjoy. Sorry for the horrible setup and background and everything. I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, let me know what else you want to see me do. So first I did like a little smoky eye, which I'm not very good at, but you know, it worked. And honestly, the eye doesn't matter as much because it, you know, you're gonna draw over it for the most part. For the spider, I would do like an outline of the spider with white first. So for that, I've been using L'Oreal white liquid eyeliner. It's like infallible paints. It's not my favorite, but it works. So you know, from all the tutorials that I have watched, they all say like, you know, like make sure the spider has like 3 like sections to its leg, and to make it like look like it's crawling out of your eye. This was my first time doing this, so it's not the best. Hopefully the second one is better, but yeah, let's jump into it. I'm just gonna start right here. It's a little dry, so I'm gonna press it down on my hand. Does not have to be perfect whatsoever. And another thing that I was seeing in videos is like leave space in between the legs, because you have to have room for the shadows, which I kind of fucked up on, but oh well. Practice makes perfect. This shit drying up on me. Drying up on me. Alright. There we go. The same length. This is really drying up. I look like a bum right now, you know. I was just playing with some makeup and it turned out real good, and then everyone was like, make a video, so you know, I was like, fuck it, let me film the second eye. You outline it so the legs do get a little bigger too, so don't go too big with the white. A lot of people are blacking out their eyebrows for this look, but I'm not into that. I don't know about that leg. We'll see once it's finished. It's a good thing about the white. See, I fucked up a little bit, guys. It's okay, it's okay. It's all good in the hood. I wouldn't recommend doing this. This is just what I've been doing because I've been screwing up. Okay, so now I'm going to take my NYX liquid liner. I'm going to outline. Okay, that was a bad fuck up. Well, this butter a little thicky over here, okay? That's better. Okay, I did a better job there. Yeah, okay. Let me stop here and just say this. Outline it first. Like, I fucked up. I outlined it over here and then I went back and drew it in. I fucked up trying to be quick and outlined it right away and was like shaking and shit. So outline them like this and then go back around and color them in. So throughout the tutorials I watched, a lot of them said to like leave little spaces at each joint to fill in some white. Just makes it look more realistic. Okay, my white NYX liquid eyeliner and fill in these little dots or holes. I'm sorry, I'm so shaky. I don't know why. Okay, so that is done. It's a little smaller than the other one. It's whatever. Grab a nice little angled brush. I'm using the black in my James Charles palette. Follow the shape. You want it to connect at the end. It's looking all right. Okay, I'm done. There is your spider look, everyone. Now I am taking Tarte lashes center of attention. I already have them on this eye, but I'm going to put them on my other eye. Okay. Let that dry for a sec. Hit the lashes one more time. Yeah, I'm like just learning that I'm okay at doing makeup. So I'm gonna just be doing some looks for you guys and like practicing stuff. My hair is so ratchet, I'm sorry. Just look at my face, okay? Alright, my lashes should be about ready. And I suck at lashes, okay? Just don't judge me. I suck at lashes. Alright guys, so I hope you like that. Let me know in the comments or my DMs what you want to see me do. I need some ideas, but yeah, so thanks for your guys' support. It means a lot. It's the only reason I'm doing this shit. So peace out. See you soon.